Imagine an incredible AI tool that makes app and website development possible without writing a single line of code. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or developer, this platform can help you bring your ideas to life. Lovable.dev is an AI-powered platform that lets you create and deploy apps directly from your browser. By simply describing your project in plain language, Lovable handles the rest, from designing the user interface to setting up the back end. Imagine saying, "I want a website to track my daily expenses," and within moments, you have a fully functional app ready to go. It's that simple. Here's how it works. Start by typing a prompt describing your project. For example, create a fully functional scientific calculator. Lovable then generates the entire application for you. Once your app is generated, you can make real-time edits using the visual editor. Want to change a color or update text? Just click and edit, no coding required. This visual editing feature is incredibly intuitive. You can adjust layouts, swap images, and fine-tune styles effortlessly. It's like having a design tool built right into your development environment. Now, let's talk about some of the powerful features that make Lovable.dev stand out. With a stunning modern UI that feels as good as it looks. From intuitive backend capabilities to seamless two-way GitHub sync, it adapts to how you work. Edit your code using smart prompts or directly through GitHub commits. Your choice. Effortlessly manage large-scale code bases without the lag, and let AI-powered debugging pinpoint and fix issues in seconds. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a startup founder, or just someone with a great idea, Lovable.dev empowers you to bring your vision to life without the need for extensive coding knowledge. Here's a sample project. A credit card recommendation website with interactive elements and animations. Built entirely with Lovable.dev, it's responsive, visually appealing, and functional. Stay updated with the latest AI tools and startups. Visit TrillionsTech.ai, your go-to hub for daily updates. Explore powerful tools, neatly organized by category, to help you find exactly what you need.